Greetings, fellow viewers. This is TechBizmo, and in this video, everybody, I've got a bit of a different video than I normally have planned. So, basically, I've had a not-so-good day, a not-so-good Sunday. So, I went to church, came back home, and SudoLinux, he realized that one of his videos were deleted. And it said it had a copyright strike. The video was deleted from his channel by YouTube. And also, he scrolled down the page and looked at it, and it was like, it said, reported by TechBizmo. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I never would ever do something like this, and now SudoLinux will never trust me again. So, I go to my email account, see if there's a retract page, a retract email, and all I have is, you flagged a video as a copyright. And I was like, I don't recall flagging any of SudoLinux's videos. I have no purpose to flag one of my best friends in the whole world, one of his videos. He makes great content, great videos. Why would I ever do something like that? So, yeah, I went to my email, I read that stuff, and I was so confused. So I told SudoLinux, I was like, dude, I honestly did not flag it. I would never do something like that to you. So he seemed a little bit mad, but, at first he seemed a little mad. Then he went to his creators section of his channel and went to the copyright strikes area of his channel, the creator studio, and there was a section that was called, like, ask for retract or something, something like that. So then he pressed the retract button, request a retract, and it sent it to me. It sent it to my creator studio section of my channel. So I went to the creator studio. It also had the retract section, but it was named a little bit different. So I clicked on his video and pressed retract, since he had requested a retract for his video. And it successfully worked. So I did not have to suffer from my buddy SudoLinux beating me to death. Yeah, I'm joking. But yeah, I did not have to suffer with SudoLinux never trusting me again. Because what was ironic, what was kind of weird and suspicious, it was his most popular video on his channel. So I'm kind of scared if somebody either hacked in my account or something, but I would think that if somebody hacked into my YouTube account, then they would do much more than that. And, how would they even know that SudoLinux and I are friends, Sure, he's in my Linux community section of my channel, but that's pretty much it. So it's a little bit of a mystery. I don't know if we'll ever be able to find this out. I've asked my siblings, and none of them know my password. But yeah, I asked my siblings, they don't know. I looked them straight in the eye, they have no clue. So I know they didn't do it. Yeah, they wouldn't do something like that anyway, except for my one brother. He would do something like that, but he has no clue how to do that stuff. He's not much of a tech person. He's not much of a tech person, not a tech person at all. So yeah, I asked all of them. They said no, we didn't do that. So I believe them, and I just go back to my computer and look at it, and I'm just so confused. So yeah, today that was a bit of a really scary story for me, because I thought I was going to lose my best friend in the whole world. It's really hard because his channel's important to him, my channel's important to me, and, I don't want some YouTube mistake to break our friendship. So, yeah. As I said, I've had a really scary day today. Not good so far. So, yeah. Well, anyway, guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. I've gotten some comments on my videos saying do more SudoLinux theories. I have a SudoLinux theories episode 2 coming up. I'm guessing next week, because it takes a bunch of editing, so I don't normally have a lot of time for those sort of videos. But hopefully I'll be able to squeeze that into my schedule either this week or next week. Well, anyway, guys, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. As I said, subscribe and like for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Also, when we successfully got that video back onto his channel, he forced me to pay him $20 because he had to go to a stupid copyright school. Never copyright on YouTube.